just don't want him to get caught in your hair.
Get off! Get off, Maddie! Never! Come! Josima, get off!
Where's the bat?
There he is, right here. Right up above.
Come then! What is he still in the house?
Yeah, he's coming back.
Here he comes.
No, he's running the tree. Oh, there he is.
Right there.
Where is it?
He just went that way.
Go over there. Oh, you okay, bam! Flush down.
Was that
Look at his wings are missing.
was that birdie?
Over here. Get down.
So funny.
You need a little more movement, Tim.
Start dancing, Dad. Yeah, you need a skip or something. Jump up and down.
There he is. Yeah. He's hurt.
Oh my God! Okay, listen, stop it! What was that noise?
Yeah, what was that?
Listen, stop! I need my...
You don't need any of this.
Yeah, I do!